So aside from the front cover and the back plate, we also have our magnet for our sensor. Comes in a baggie. We open it up. This one is different battery than the 5816 just because of the size of the sensor. And on our device, it might be tough to see, but in the back plate you have a little minus sign, and on your battery you have a big plus sign on the top. So you simply match the negative to the negative. Do not ever try to slide the battery underneath this clip. It's not meant to go underneath there, it's meant to sit right on top. So you slide it in and you snap it in place, and the battery sits right into that section. On here it has a tamper. It's a little bit different than the 5816. The 5816 had a little silver dongle switch. This one has a little contact point on the circuit board, and when the cover is closed, it holds down this little clip and keeps the tamper connection closed. So in this case, we have our battery installed and we're ready to program our Honeywell 5811 sensor.